cylinder, and this is going to be the longhand version of it. I'm going to draw a rectangle in perspective. A couple of vanishing points. Okay, so it's a rectangle in perspective. Now I'm going to put a cylinder on this side. I'm going to put an ellipse on this side and on that side, and I'm going to connect them, and that's going to make us a cylinder. So this surface, I need to find the axis. I need to find the axis, the line that's parallel, that's perpendicular to the surface of it. So these lines, if you were thinking of a square from above, and you asked yourself, okay, say I've got side A, we'll call this side A. Say I've got side A. How do I find what's perpendicular? Perpendicular is hitting it at a 90-degree angle. So this line right there, that would be from side B. So that's side A, and that's side B. Side B, these lines are perpendicular to side A. If side A was laid face down on the ground like this, the lines, these lines here that would go straight up in the air, those lines are perpendicular to side A, to the face of side A. Okay, now if you took these lines are not perpendicular to the face of side A. Okay, so now we've established that it's this vanishing point that establishes these lines. Look, I'm going to call this vanishing point X, and it establishes the direction of these perpendicular lines. So I'm going to use this vanishing point to help me get my minor axis. What I do is I put an X through this side, which helps me find the center. When I've got the center, I take that and I project it back to vanishing point X. Okay. Now I've clearly got some mistake because that should have hit really, really close. Anyway, that's about as good as I can get that. I'm going to move it that way a touch. Okay. So now this X, this line here, is my minor axis. All right, and I'm going to switch colors to make this more clear. So here's my minor axis, right here. Okay, and I'm going to switch colors again to make it more clear again. Okay. Now, what I need to do is I need to draw an ellipse like that. And there's my cylinder. I can do this to make it look better. And there's my cylinder. So that's the process. This is the longhand process for how to draw a cylinder. Now we can also do it shorthand. We can just sketch in a minor axis. Say, well, let's say that's my minor axis. Minor axis, parallel, perpendicular to the face. And that's how we draw cylinders.